Welcome to our channel, where we're all about unlocking the secrets to a brighter, more confident smile. And today in this video, we're diving into the exciting world of teeth whitening. A radiant smile is often considered a universal symbol of beauty and confidence. As such, the appearance of our teeth plays a significant role in how we are perceived by others and how we feel about ourselves. Teeth whitening has emerged as a popular cosmetic dental procedure that can enhance the brightness of our smiles and boost our self-esteem. In this video, we will explore the importance of teeth whitening, its benefits, different whitening methods, and important considerations to keep in mind. The importance of teeth whitening. Teeth whitening is not only about achieving a Hollywood-worthy smile. It also offers several important benefits beyond cosmetic enhancement. One of the key advantages of teeth whitening is the boost it can provide to your self-confidence. A bright, white smile can make you feel more attractive, approachable, and self-assured in social and professional settings. Furthermore, teeth whitening can help to reverse the discoloration and staining that naturally occurs over time due to factors such as aging, consuming staining foods and beverages, smoking, and poor oral hygiene. By restoring the natural whiteness of your teeth, you can rejuvenate your smile and enhance your overall appearance. Different teeth whitening methods. There are various teeth whitening methods available, ranging from over-the-counter products to professional treatments offered by dentists. Over-the-counter options include whitening toothpaste, strips, and gels, which can be effective for mild staining. However, for more significant results and safer treatment, professional teeth whitening procedures are recommended. Professional teeth whitening treatments typically involve the use of bleaching agents such as hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, which can effectively lighten the color of your teeth. In-office whitening procedures performed by a dentist can provide quick and dramatic results, while at-home whitening kits prescribed by a dentist offer convenience and flexibility. Important considerations. Before undergoing any teeth whitening treatment, it is crucial to consult with a dental professional to assess your oral health and determine the most suitable whitening method for your specific needs. Individuals with sensitive teeth, gum disease, or dental restorations such as crowns or veneers may require special considerations when whitening their teeth. Additionally, it is essential to follow proper oral hygiene practices and maintain regular dental checkups to ensure the longevity of your whitening results. Avoiding habits that can stain your teeth, such as smoking and excessive consumption of coffee or tea, can also help preserve the brightness of your smile. Teeth whitening is not just a superficial cosmetic procedure. It can positively impact your confidence, appearance, and overall well-being. By brightening your smile, you can project a more positive image to the world and feel more comfortable and self-assured in various aspects of your life. Whether you choose at-home whitening products or professional treatments, the key is to prioritize your oral health and consult with a dental professional to achieve safe and effective results. Embrace the power of a dazzling smile and let your confidence shine through. Preserving your smile. The significance of preventing tooth decay. Maintaining good oral health is essential for a confident smile, proper chewing function, and overall well-being. One of the most common oral health issues that people face is tooth decay, which can lead to cavities, pain, and other complications if left untreated. In this video, we will explore the importance of avoiding tooth decay, the consequences of dental decay, preventive measures, and strategies for protecting your teeth for a lifetime of healthy smiles. The significance of avoiding tooth decay. Tooth decay, also known as dental caries or cavities, occurs when bacteria in the mouth produce acids that erode the enamel and underlying layers of the teeth. If left unchecked, tooth decay can progress, causing pain, infection, and even tooth loss. Beyond the physical discomfort, untreated dental decay can have far-reaching consequences on your oral health, overall health, and quality of life. Protecting your teeth. Why it matters. Protecting your teeth from decay is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, maintaining healthy teeth and gums allows you to enjoy a pain-free and functional smile. Healthy teeth enable you to chew food properly, speak clearly, and smile with confidence, enhancing your overall quality of life and well-being. Furthermore, preventing tooth decay can help you avoid costly and invasive dental treatments down the line. Regular dental checkups, good oral hygiene practices, and a healthy diet can all contribute to reducing your risk of developing cavities and other dental problems, ultimately saving you time, money, and potential discomfort in the long run. Preventive measures to combat tooth decay. Preventing tooth decay starts with a proactive approach to oral hygiene and regular dental care. Here are some key preventive measures to help safeguard your teeth against decay. 1. Brushing and flossing. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and floss daily to remove plaque and food particles that can lead to decay. 2. Healthy diet. Limit sugary and acidic foods and drinks, which can contribute to enamel erosion and cavities. Opt for nutritious foods rich in vitamins and minerals that promote oral health. 3. Regular dental checkups. Schedule routine dental exams and cleanings to detect early signs of decay. Receive professional cleanings and address any oral health concerns promptly. 4. Fluoride treatments. Consider fluoride treatments or dental products containing fluoride to strengthen tooth enamel and help prevent cavities. 5. Sealants. Dental sealants are thin protective coatings applied to the chewing surfaces of teeth to prevent decay in hard-to-reach areas. Protecting your teeth from decay is a fundamental aspect of maintaining optimal oral health and preserving your smile for years to come. By prioritizing preventive measures, practicing good oral hygiene habits, and seeking professional dental care regularly, you can reduce your risk of dental decay and promote a lifetime of healthy smiles. Remember, a little effort in caring for your teeth today can lead to a brighter and healthier smile tomorrow. Don't wait until tooth decay strikes. Start protecting your teeth and oral health today. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a brighter, more confident smile. We hope you found our tips and techniques helpful in achieving your teeth whitening goals. If you enjoyed today's video and found value in our content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and join a community passionate about dental care and confidence.